Zigzags. Zigzags are the most common patterns seen in the markets. Zigzags are the basic building blocks of the market, a point we shall explore in great detail later on. The zigzag, in its simple form, is a three-wave structure and is labeled A, B, C. Both the A and C waves in the zigzag subdivide into five-wave, motive wave structures. The B wave takes on the form of a corrective wave, and it is normally a zigzag in itself. Zigzags move down in a rising market, bull market, and they unfold upwards in a falling market, bear market. Zigzags in a bear market are also called inverted zigzags. Zigzags represent the first variety of corrections, namely the sharp correction. While unfolding in a zigzag, markets tend to retrace a large portion of the earlier motive wave.